Namaste. Many of the jaw surgery patient has a doubt about the recovery process. They have multiple questions like, is jaw surgery painful? How long the swelling will be there on our face? How long should I be in the hospital? What kind of a food I can eat? When can I resume my job or my study? When can I start the workout? When can I see my final results? So today I will give you a basic general idea about the recovery process after jaw surgery. First of all, is jaw surgery painful? No, jaw surgery is not really very painful because the surgery is done under general anesthesia. So while surgery, patient do not feel any kind of a pain. Of course, we give good painkiller, and the painkillers are continued post surgery for 5 to 7 days depending on the requirement. But yeah, sometimes because of some swelling, some movement, little discomfort might be there, which gets better day by day.
How long does swelling last after jaw surgery?
There is little swelling after surgery, and the most of the swelling usually settles in 2 to 3 weeks time. We advise ice application post surgery for a couple of days, and some movement, some jaw exercise, which helps in reducing swelling very rapidly.
What kind of diet can you take after jaw surgery?
Usually we recommend liquid diet for 10 to 15 days, followed by the soft diet, which usually patient do not need to chew, and after 6 weeks slowly we can start with the normal diet. Do we shut mouth post jaw surgery? Usually in 99% cases we do not shut mouth post jaw surgery, but yeah, sometimes depending on the case we give elastics to guide the jaw in a proper bite, because there is now a new position for the jaw, and sometimes the muscle we have to train, so that's why we need to give some elastics for a couple of months time, and then slowly orthodontics takes over the treatment post surgery. Post jaw surgery requires hospital stay depending on the type of jaw surgery, either it's a single jaw surgery or double jaw surgery. Usually the time for hospital stay is from 24 hours to 48 hours. Once the patient's daily routine becomes normal, their oral intake becomes normal, then we usually give discharge to the patient.
When is it safe to resume work or college after jaw surgery?
We usually recommend patient to go to the office or to the college after around 2 weeks or 3 weeks depending on patient's recovery, but usually they can resume their office and college in 2 to 3 weeks time.
When can patients start workout after jaw surgery?
So usually patient can start doing light exercise after 10 days time, and heavy exercise we usually recommend to start after a month time.
How is the bone healing process post jaw surgery?
So usually the bone what we have cut, we fix them with the plates and screw, and bone heals in 6 weeks time, and in case if required we can remove the plates in after 3 months, which is not really necessary surgery to remove the plates. So if you have any more doubt about the recovery process after jaw surgery, you can contact us on our mobile number, or you can write your comments down in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.